Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send pictures through Hotmail, or as it's now called, Outlook.com, in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to share photos with your friends, send important images to your family, or attach work-related pictures for a colleague, this guide will help you do it quickly and correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to attach single or multiple pictures without running into upload or delivery issues. So stick around because it's super easy once you know how. First, open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whichever you prefer, and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Click on Sign In, ESCO, and enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password carefully. Once you log in successfully, you'll land on your Outlook homepage where you can view your inbox and all your messages. If you don't see your inbox right away, just click the mail icon on the left sidebar to access it. Now it's time to send your pictures. Click on New Mail, usually at the top left corner, to open a new email draft. Next, look for the Attach icon, which looks like a small paper clip. Click on it and your computer's file explorer will open. From here, browse and select the image or images you want to send. If you're on Windows, you can select multiple pictures by holding down the Control key while clicking each file. On Mac, hold down Command while selecting. Once selected, you'll see a small upload progress bar appear. This shows your pictures are being attached. Wait for that to finish before moving on, especially if your files are large. After your pictures are uploaded, make sure they appear in the attachment bar just below your subject line. Now, enter your recipient's email address in the To field. Double check it to avoid sending it to the wrong person. You can also type a short message in the email body if you want to add context or say hello. When everything looks good, attachments, email address, and message, just click send. That's it. Your pictures are now on their way through Hotmail servers and your recipient will receive them shortly. And that's how easy it is to send pictures on Hotmail. No confusing settings, no extra tools, just a clean, simple process using Outlook's built-in features. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.